Say hi, Josie.
Hi.
Okay, give me the rake. Watch out. It's gonna be a long video.
Yeah. I'm gonna take time.
Take turns filming it.
Yeah.
How about you make the next one?
Okay.
Ready? Hey, Josie, you wanna help me throw this stuff everywhere?
Yeah. No, please.
Okay.
No, please, Mary. Well, I'm gonna show you our chickens. Oh, little chicken. Brother. Oh, wait. He is about 11 months now, almost his birthday. So I'm gonna show you chickens. They're right over here in the garage. They're still tiny. They're about like 5 months. I'll move them a little better. That's their watering stuff, food. Oh, and by the way, guys, this stuff is really good. It makes not stink. Just in case you're wondering. And this is their other foods. That's their food. And there's your chickens. There you go. So let's go back over to my mom.
Mary, Mom wants you to come back.
Okay. Well, that's where I'm going, so.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna see what we did?
Yeah. Let's see.
Alright, Josie, why don't you get down so Mary can see what we did?
Okay, my dad made this thing too high, but the chickens will like it because they like being
Get cut
off the ground. Oh, look. Beautiful.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
I don't want to use this stuff.
This is the walk right
Alright,
here.
Michael, get down, honey. Don't climb up on the wrong side of the ladder.
There. Alright.
Alright, watch your head.
You putting the chickens in?
Yep, I'm closing one door, hopefully. So it'll keep them from flying out. If they fly out, we're gonna have to catch some chickens. And you know what? Chickens are faster than people.
There.
I think they're faster than me. Look at this. Ouch.
Ooh.
It's because we have to duck between this fig tree and this coop, and I keep hitting my elbow on the door. Alright, somebody stay with the baby. There, you stay right there, and I'll grab the whole chicken.
Don't be
I
right
haven't
now.
let you. This is who I am.
Don't you dare smile.
Don't you dare smile.
Michael, don't smile. Stop it. Don't. Don't smile. Don't you dare smile.
Yeah, don't you dare.
Are you gonna kick me?
He just kicked me.
Guys.
He's kicking me.
Bill.
You're a silly chicken.
Oh, sorry guys, got an itch.
Yeah. We're about to get the chickens in.
Yeah, that's right. Say hi, Michael.
Hi. Mom's got the chicken.
There.
Hey, you guys, you will need.
Watch out, don't want me to drop
Look
this.
at our chickens. Look at our chickens right now, you guys.
I can't feel my feet. Tell me if I'm gonna trip on
That's
something.
their chickens.
You might trip on. No. Never mind.
That's why I can faster.
How none of these are roosters?
You're prepared. Taking it hide it.
Hey, stop it. Moving our chicks.
No.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No.
Water's going everywhere.
Oh no.
Here, just get in there.
Now you can fly out.
Oh,
Yeah, he.
that was scary. Hey, I'm missing a waterer. Where is it?
I'll get it.
Look out for poison ivy.
This is all water. Here's a drop. A Gatorade.
Mary, you're gonna have to wash your hands really good. You're dropping it everywhere, baby. Sit down. Here, show it. So we're gonna have to upgrade to a bigger one, right?
Yep. We are. Baby Will, why are you crying?
Our baby does
Play
not.
peekaboo.
William does not like when
Peekaboo.
he's alone. Right, Mary?
Peekaboo. 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 Boo. Peekaboo. Bill.
That was the whole point of you doing it.
Sorry. The baby was sad.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
All right. It's a little dark, but it's really overcast today. We'll just keep filming the chickens, and then why don't you back up a little bit? I'm gonna go wash my hands really good because I have all sorts of rust and stuff on my hands. Who keeps shutting the baby's shoulder cover?
That was
I asked you not to
me
do
that
that
time.
3 times now.
Hello.
Can I please
Hello.
see? Can I please
Why don't
see?
you guys jump out? Jump out, guys. Jump out. Okay. Oh, did it run away? I mixed up mixed up this. Okay. Can I have a turn? Sorry guys for this bad camera work. But
Hey, we don't even put it on YouTube.
yeah, Josie, back up.
We don't even put it on YouTube.
Yes, we're putting this on YouTube because you're watching this on YouTube. Now.
It's not on YouTube.
No.
On the way on YouTube.
No, Josie, why are you saying such weird stuff?
How do you know mess? How do you
Can I
know
please see?
mess up?
Can I please see the
Yes,
chickens?
you have no.
Can I please see?
Yes, you have no chicken meat.
Oh, look. Let's see. So, this is our password.
Can I please see?
It's 3.
Can I please see? No. Yeah, man, that Michael haven't heard
I'm
it.
saying
You
no.
haven't heard it. I wouldn't find
Hold on.
Marilyn holding the phone.
Why are you showing our combination to the world?
Sorry.
Really? Did you just do that?
I didn't do well.
I'm gonna watch it. Get down.
I wouldn't find Marilyn.
Okay.
Get down.
I only showed them the first number when I... Chickens. Hey, chickens.
They haven't tried to get out yet, huh?
Nope.
Nope.
Like, I won't get out. Okay.
They'll figure it out. One will get out, and then they'll all go. And they'll all get out.
Can I have a thing?
Hold on. There they are. Aren't they pretty?
Yeah.
All right. They're still eating their food.
Get out my thing.
I wonder if I should just let one out, or you think they'll just figure it out?
I hate you when you're carrying it out.
You know how they're gonna be like Christmas morning when they figure out they can get out of there. Well, you guys are gonna have to help me to remember to change their water and food now that they're out here and not in the garage, okay?
Okay.
Remind me every morning.
Can I see?
Yep, go ahead. Let Josie have a turn now.
I want to see them.
Yeah, wait.
Go ahead, you all look and I'll let you have some space.
Purple, everyone steps on one. She steps on the top, steps on the middle, and I step on the bottom.
It'll be nicer when there's some sun out. Poor baby Will.
No.
Poor baby Will. Can't even see you under there. Just your toes. Hi. You said you good boy. Hi.